National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Camden County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Kerrville County in northeastern North Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Granby, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Camden and southeastern Kerrville counties, including the following locations: Jarvisburg, Harbinger, Powell's Point, Spot, and Mamie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page.